Hey guys, Vijay here, your Azure and Citrix trainer and architect. In this video, we are going to see how many data disks we can add to Azure virtual machine. And what are those things that define how many data disks can be added? Can I add 10? Can I add 20? So how many I can add? Before I show how many data disks you can add, the addition of the disks can be done by using this option called as disks under the settings. This option will help you to extend the disk, and of course this will also help you to add additional disks based on your requirement. Coming to the point of addition of the number of disks, it purely depends on the size that which you pick. If you look at the current size of this VM, it is standard B1MS, and of course the same thing you will be able to see under the sizing option where you see this current size B1MS. Now B1MS, if you look at how many disks will this allow, as I explained, it all depends on the size, isn't it? It all depends on the size. Now where is this B1MS, standard B1 underscore MS, right? So B1MS, if you look at this size, it is allowing the data disks, right? You can see it, the data disk count as 2. So which means that apart from the operating system disk, I can assign 2 additional disks. Now let us see. Right here I am under the disk section and I'm going to go and add, let us name this as a disk 1. Let that be 4 GB. Right, it created and attached the disk to this VM, and I'm going to go and add another disk here, disk 2. This also creates and adds, or rather attaches a disk to this VM. So it creates the disk and attaches it. Now your second disk is also updated, or rather added. Once I add these 2 disks, this option got grayed out. Right, create a disk and attach is grayed out. Now why? Because you are allowed to use only 2 disks as a part of this particular, what do you call it, as size, right? B1MS, it allows you only 2 disks. Now what if I have a requirement of some additional disk? Maybe you need to change the size of the VM, right? Change the size. Maybe I'll go and change it. I'll just hit on resize. Don't do it like this in the real-time environment. You need to gracefully take off the server and change the size. Remember, changing the size of the VM is what you call it as, it brings down or rather reboots your virtual machine. Right, the VM size is now changed to B2MS. Now you can add up to 4 disks. Right, now if I go back to the disks, now I see this option got re-enabled. So you can add another disk, maybe one more disk after that. Then again it hits the maximum allowed disk count. And then in case if you need further, look for another size which allows you with the same CPU and memory with more disks. Right, so this is how your limits of the disks are defined. So it basically depends on the size that what you have. Hope this video helps. In case if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you.